Hey guys, this is going to be a short video. I'm just going to show you guys how to install PHP and how to get it to run in Visual Studio Code. So what you need to do, you need to open up Visual Studio Code and then go down here to extensions. Then what you first need to do is press Shift and then the @ sign and then go for built-in. Then type in PHP. Now what this part is PHP language features. Just disable that. For yours, it will already be enabled. Just click disable. And it will ask you to restart Visual Studio Code, but don't do that yet. Once you're done with that, just backspace all of this. And then type in PHP. Okay. You need PHP server. So type in PHP server in the extensions. Obviously, you're going to need internet for this. And install that. You also, need PHP and Cellophans as well. And once you've installed all of that, just close Visual Studio for now. Now, go online and then go to the PHP website, which is php.net if I'm not mistaken. And then go to download and then go to Windows downloads. And then download this 30 meg zip file. Okay. And then once that's downloaded, open it up. And here's, whoops. Here's the context. Now what you should do is put it in a folder, create a new folder for this. What I did was I put mine in my documents. So let's see. So I added this folder called PHP in my documents, which has all of this stuff, all of this context. So then what you need to do next is go to search bar and then look for system environment variables. So type in system, edit the system environment variables. Click that and then go to environment variables. Okay, but before you do that, where this PHP folder is, where you saved it in. Like, it's better to put it in documents so you don't accidentally delete it at some point in the future. But where you extracted this, and remember to extract this, or either click extract to, or if you're kind of lazy like me, just press Control A, click and hold, and then drag it there to your folder. So what you do is just click up top here, and then this directory part, press Control C to copy, or right click and copy. So right click and copy. Then where you add your system properties for the variables, go to environment variables. Then under here, system variables, go all the way down to path, and then go to edit. And then click new, and then paste your path. I already have it added in, so I don't need to do that. So then, once it's added, just click OK. I'm just going to click cancel because I already have it added in. And once all of that is done, open up Visual Studio Code, and then let's just make a new PHP file. So we'll just say example.php. some reason I can't get this whole HTML thing to work, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna copy this template from the last HTML. So wait, anyway, for this thing to load. Okay. God damn it. Tab. Okay, I need to copy all of this. Okay, so underneath here, I'm just gonna paste this in, and your body here is gonna put this bracket, a question mark, and then PHP. Then we're gonna tell it what we want it to say. So echo and this is an example, and then we close it. Okay. Now on this, what you do is you right click, and then you'll see PHP server project. Click that, and then this thing will run saving project. And there you go. You can just close that, and then you can also just right click and say stop server, and now your server stopped. And that's how you add PHP to Visual Studio Code.